morning everyone. In today's video I'm back at Elise's. Today we have a pretty busy day. Actually, I'm lying. We are going now to have quick lunch, breakfast at Zia, my new favorite restaurant. They've just completely done up the front part of it and it looks so good. I need to get like an Instagram picture, so I wore like a specific outfit for this place. I bought this new blazer from Zara. I thought it looked like Balmain, so I was like, ooh, Balmain vibes. Do you just love how I just pronounce this brand in 2 different ways within the same 10 seconds? I know, psycho. But yeah, no, I love it. It's so cute, and I really wanted to get like a white tweed boucle braid, blah, blah. I really wanted to get like a boucle Balmain blazer, but I didn't know if I wanted to get white or navy or black, and I was like, black's kind of boring, but white's also like not me, but I also want it to be me. But navy I just don't wear, but it just looks so nice. So I'm still contemplating. I feel like buying dupes of like your favorite items, like items that you want to purchase which are expensive, is the best way to shop, because you'll figure out whether you're actually gonna, you know, get full use out of an expensive item as opposed to wasting money on something. So no shade, but this is so nice. Like, I just finished filming my HelloFresh video, which is why I'm wearing this outfit, but this is not what I'm gonna wear today. I'm just literally putting on a plain white t-shirt. Oh, this thing looks cute. Maybe I can wear my jeans with this. Ooh. I think we are going to get our nails done at Dry By. It's this new salon. Well, it's not new, but it's a salon that everyone's been talking about, and they have like these really cool nail art designs. And I've never really been a huge fan of nail art, but I had it done once. I had like a Comme des Garçons inspired nail thing done. It was quite cool, but also I was like sick of it after a day. I was like, why would I get nail art on every single nail? Like, it just looks so tacky. I know, guys, major shock. I am getting nail art. Or am I? I don't know. I'm thinking maybe something like golden on my ring finger. Which reminds me, where are my rings? Over that. And then Elise is gonna head off to a meeting. I might just come back home and edit, and then we are going to Harvey Nichols for a Giorgio Armani event, because I love Giorgio Armani foundation. I am the biggest fan. I've gone back to it recently and I'm living for it. This is what I'm wearing today. I know. Okay guys, so we've just got to, oh look, we're twinning! I want to say this wasn't planned, but like I definitely thought, and it wasn't planned. She didn't see what I wore when I walked into the house, and she walked out her bedroom and she was like, I was like, whatever, it's fine.
No, but like genuinely, I didn't realise until I came to the living room. I was
like, we always do this.
Like, we literally always do this.
Anyways,
it's my first outing. I was literally like scared to carry around.
We are heading to Duck and Dry because I need to get a blow dry.
Is it just you getting one today? Yeah.
Yeah. It's honestly the best branch that I've been to. They do blow dries so well, you guys are gonna see.
And they're so quick as well. Like, usually any salon I go to, they're really like slow.
They take like hours to do my hair because it's so long and thick, especially hers, but they're really quick. Okay, so I just got to Duck and Dry for a blow dry, and I'm just sitting at the bar waiting. Elise's actually done Selfridges because she just got a new Dior bag and she doesn't know she likes the strap. So I've just finished doing my hair. It's gonna cool down for a little bit, and then we're gonna take out the curls and reveal my beautiful hair. Okay, so I'm gonna take the curls out. Bye. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh my god, it looks amazing. I'm literally always gonna come here. Thank you so much.
What was your name? Sorry. Guys, if you want to come duck and dry, go to Sophie because she is amazing.
We did hair last time.
Yeah, she did my hair last time. She's so good.
So I just did my blow dry. As you can see, massive change. Like, how nice. When I say this is the best place for a blow dry, I'm not joking. Like, it just looks so good. Wait, I'm in the middle of the road. Can you decide what you want to do?
We're getting a cab.
Now we're gonna head to Dry By and get our nails done. I love pamper days.
Why are they all busy?
So we just got to Dry By and we're getting our nails done. So my hair looks so good. They do blow dry too as well.
So Lailli's gonna get her gels removed today. I'm just gonna get my regulars done. So for you guys that have seen Dry By online, they do some really cool nail art. And these are all the shades I can choose from. And I'm going to check out their Instagram now to see what I like. I think I'm going to get like a nude colour. Okay guys, I'm going to get foil on top of it. But I love it, it's really intricate. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. What are you going to get?
The Chinese symbol.
Interesting.
On one finger.
Yeah.
And which finger are we gonna do? This one?
This is the other hand.
I love it. It's so neat as well. You can generally see such a difference with the quality of manicure here than at other places. Definitely going to be coming back.
So this is the design I want to get done on my ring finger. This is mine. I thought I didn't want to leave this one bare, so I got this one done. You know, do this. You guys are gonna die when you see my nail. It looks so cool. Like, I wish I did this for Chinese New Year, but like, I'm not Chinese. I got a Chinese symbol for faith because that is my favorite symbol, and it's also a symbol I had like fake tattooed when I went to Thailand and I was like 11 on the back of my neck. Guys,
Super nice.
it's insane. Thank you so much.
We discussed kind of goals that you were focusing more on, and I feel it translates to what you're performing.
Okay guys, so I just finished my Skype conference and we did a review on my channel. I'm so surprised things are going really well, and like, even with like, everything has gone so well this first quarter. I'm really pleased, and in comparison to last year, things have really picked up and I'm so happy. But now I am actually gonna head to the post office. I've got an entire bag of posts to do, and then I'm meeting Elise at Harvey Nichols at 4. It's currently like 3 now. So I'm meeting her at 4 for the... So I'm meeting her at 4 for the Giorgio Armani event, and as I was saying this morning, I love Giorgio Armani. It's the foundation I've been wearing and loving for so many years. Like, I always go back to that foundation because the luminous silk is just the best. So we just finished the post office stuff and I got to Harrods Food Hall, and now I'm getting some groceries because Harrods have the best groceries. They have 3 different kinds of pine berries today. They have yellow berries, white berries, and pink berries. How amazing. So I just got home. I am so tired. Like, I had a really long day. I've been up since about 7, 8, 6:30. Completely forgot. And I want to show you guys what I picked up from the Harrods Food Hall. I don't know if this is going to be very interesting for many of you, but I always love food shopping. Like, grocery shopping is my guilty pleasure. First things first, some truffle gouda. We are supposed to have burgers tonight, so I went to the cheese section and I was like, yes, cheese. so picked up some truffle gouda, and then I got enticed by the raclette, the Swiss raclette, so I picked some of that up. I don't know if you guys have seen, but on Instagram, like, raclette cheese is known to be very like smooth and like, I don't know if I want to describe it as creamy, but when you see those like sandwiches with those massive like cheese wheels with like cheese just dripping off and just like melting everywhere, that's raclette, Swiss raclette. Or it could be another kind of raclette, but basically I got a little slice of that, so maybe we can like torch some of that and spread that all over my burger. That would be good. And then of course I picked up some yellow berries. These are all pine berries. They had 3 different types of pine berries. They had yellow, they had white, and they also had pink. So I was like, you know what, what's the difference? And she was like, oh well, this one, the yellow ones are more like pineapple-y, blah blah blah. And I was like, you know what, give me one of each, because why not? I love trying out new food and experimenting, because it's honestly the best thing and you really can't put a price on good food. And then I also picked up some lobster tortellini with sage, butter sauce and samphire. I am so excited to eat this, and I haven't eaten the whole day, so like when I went food shopping I was like, can't resist the urge to pick up too much unnecessary stuff, but I think I did pretty good considering the fact that I was like starving. So now I'm gonna go and hey guys, so I was editing this video and I realised that I didn't actually sign off or finish doing this video. There is an issue with my camera, so I feel like it stopped filming whilst I was doing it, which I did not realise until now, but I thought I would just say thank you for watching. I know this is a bit of a weird random haul, and unfortunately I didn't actually get content of the stuff, like some of the stuff that I bought, which is sad, but honestly they weren't even worth showing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and liked the things that I bought. I will be doing a lookbook very soon while uploading it. I actually filmed one a little over a month ago whilst I was in Dubai, and I have yet to edit that and upload that, but that will be up hopefully soon. But I've got loads of exciting content coming up, and I hope you guys are enjoying these videos because I'm putting a lot of time and effort into them. Obviously not this one, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. And I also upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. If you want to make sure you don't miss a video, then make sure you hit that little bell button. You'll get notified in your emails. I swear I won't spam you, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon.